The Delclynee slide-out heat press is designed for serious t-shirt creators and professional print shops who demand quality, consistency, and ease of use. I have provided the link to this heat press machine in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Its large 16 by 24-inch non-stick coated heating surface gives you ample space to work on a variety of garment sizes, from kids' tees to oversized prints. Built with industrial-grade stainless steel and aluminum, this heat press is engineered for durability, making it a reliable tool for high-volume production or detailed personal projects. The pull-out lower platen is a standout feature, allowing safe and easy loading while minimizing the risk of burns from the heated upper platen, a common issue in standard clamshell designs. What sets this heat press apart is its attention to usability and precision. The slide-out lower platen not only ensures user safety, but locks automatically with a reassuring click, preventing any potential sublimation displacement. This added security is a welcome improvement, especially when you're working with high-quality heat transfer vinyl and can't afford any movement. The press also includes a lower pad cover, which keeps your work area clean and prevents slippage during shirt placement. In addition, there's ample space underneath the platen, allowing you to thread the t-shirt and isolate the side you're pressing, ensuring clean, one-sided application without impacting the back of the shirt. One of the smartest innovations is the automatic floatation feature, which detects the thickness of your item and applies even pressure, even on substrates that aren't perfectly flat or consistent in height. This eliminates guesswork and uneven transfers, improving both quality and consistency. The digital control system is easy to use and includes an upgraded time/temperature gauge that sounds 5 beeps when your press is ready, ensuring you never miss the perfect window for transfer. Lastly, Delclynee provides excellent after-sale protection with a lifetime warranty on the heating element and a 1-year warranty on the entire machine. Altogether, this heat press is an efficient, smartly designed solution for anyone serious about t-shirt printing or heat transfer production.